I can say this with earned restraint. Gold scalping isn't a weekend experiment, it's something I've already lived with. I've had gold scalping running on my own trading long enough to see how it behaves when gold decides to sprint, stall, or simply misbehave, and instead of panic or overconfidence, it stayed methodical. So alright, this isn't a first impression, this is a long-used review from someone who has watched gold scalping earn its keep trade by trade. Starting from the very basics. The zip file process with gold scalping is refreshingly uneventful. One clean extract reveals the EX4 file, installation notes, and README. Nothing extra, nothing missing. I placed the EX4 into the MT4 experts folder, restarted the platform, attached gold scalping to XAUUSD, enabled auto trading, and OK, it activated instantly without errors, delays, or setup drama, which already tells you this EA respects your time. Now let's slow down and really look at the Myfxbook data, because this is where gold scalping actually proves its logic. The account started with a $100 deposit and grew to a balance of $165.33, producing a total profit of $317.71, with an absolute gain exceeding 325% and overall growth above 535%. Equity remains aligned with balance, meaning trades are that cleanly closed rather than floating losses being hidden. Daily returns average around 0.11%, while growth compounds steadily over time instead of exploding recklessly. Drawdown peaked at approximately 18.36%, which is reasonable given the aggressive nature of gold scalping and the subsequent recovery behavior. Trading activity is focused purely on XAUUSD, with 442 total trades executed, a win rate of 70%, and over 33,553 net pips generated. Long and short positions are well balanced, showing that gold scalping doesn't rely on directional bias but reacts to volatility intelligently. What stands out most is the consistency of the equity curve. It climbs in steps, pauses when conditions aren't ideal, and resumes without emotional swings, which is exactly what you want from a gold-focused scalping system. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part briefly. Running gold. Scalping an MT4 using high-quality tick data with an initial deposit of $10,000 resulted in a final balance of $10,165.82. Total net profit came in at $165.82, with gross profit recorded at $9.82 and no recorded gross loss during the test period. The backtest executed 32 trades in total, maintained a 100% win rate for that sample, and kept maximal drawdown extremely low at around $2.14, or 0.02%, which confirms conservative risk handling under historical conditions. So after personally running gold scalping, reviewing its live Myfxbook performance, and validating its behavior through MT4 backtesting, I'd describe it as a focused gold scalping system built around control rather than chaos. This specific gold scalping bot is available on our website, and for deeper details you can check the description provided. To stay updated, discuss settings, and follow real-time performance insights, alright, join our Telegram group where gold scalping users actively share observations from live trading.